Hi and welcome to christinescrafts.com. Today we're going to unwrap these iridescent stork scissors that we got from Craften. You can find all their goods at craftenco.co.uk. So let's see what we get. It comes wrapped in this beautiful branded paper with a little sticker holding it closed. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Well, it looks like tissue paper. So let's get the tissue paper open and then we're on to bubble wrap. Okay, we're starting to see our scissors and starting to see how beautiful they are. Let's open up the bubble wrap and we've now got our scissors. Do we think they're iridescent? Yes. Do we think they look like a stork? Yes. They've got a little bit on their nose, on the end of their beak, to keep them closed and to protect you from the point. Let's take that off. Let's operate the scissors. They feel great. Nice, quality, lovely little pair of scissors. I think they could be the sweetest scissors I've ever had. So thank you for watching, and please take the time to subscribe below and click on the bell. Give us a thumbs up and leave us some comments. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.